Welcome! If you want to change your always on display theme in Samsung Galaxy A52s, you have to go for the settings, find a lock screen and go for the always on display. Next, you have to go for the clock style and tap right here. We can pick a few ready GIFs, but we can also set up our own picture from the gallery. Yeah, let me just go for the gallery, and I'm going to pick, for example, this one. As you can see it right here, we can also resize that photo. Well, this one is a very good quality, so when I'm going to zoom like that, it's sharp, still sharp. Okay, so let's maybe put it like that. Then click down if you want to confirm, and take a look right now. As you can see, our theme has changed. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.